There's a new high-level brake light fitted, and it's got the reversing camera in that works with the factory system, isn't it? Tom's just getting a thread cable through so we can pull the cable for the video camera to go to the back of the head unit. All looking good. Yeah.
That's good. Do you reckon we should keep it? Or keep it?
Whatever you decide. Alright, there we go, the camera's all wired up. Let's flick the ignition on and pop it into reverse, and there goes the camera, all working with the factory head unit. If you want one for your own van, I'll leave a link in the description below of where you can get it from. Two beasts in the back of the van. One's a German Shepherd called Obi. The other's a 460 amp hour Roma lithium battery hooked up to that stuff. There's the new rear brake light fitted with the reversing camera that works with the factory. Obi, quiet! The new reversing. So there we go. If we just pop it into reverse, the ignition's on. And the reversing camera activates. Perfect. And it's all working with the factory head unit. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks, Obi. Be quiet. I'll leave a link in the description. Start again.